Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be having a look at groups of 10. This is a really interesting one. Because of the way that our number system works, groups of 10 is actually super easy. Let's have a look. If a 1 looks like this, a group of 10, which is 10 ones, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is a group of 10. We could write it like this. 1 group of 10 is the same as 10. If I wanted to show two groups of 10, it would look like this. 1, 2, 2 groups of 10, and 3 groups of 10. Groups of 10 would look like this. If we have a look at these numbers here, we're going to notice something interesting. 1 group of 10, and it's a 1 with a 0 on the end. 2 groups of 10 is a 2 with the 0 on the end, or 2 tens. 3 is 3 tens, or 3 with a 0 on the end. Can you see the pattern emerging? 8 groups of 10 is equal to 8 tens, or 80. 9 groups of 10 is equal to 90. Again, notice 8, and where we have groups of 10, it's going to be 8 tens. Just an 8 with a 0 on the end. 9 is going to be 9 with a 0 on the end, showing that it's 9 tens now. How about 10 tens? This is a little bit different. 10 groups of 10 equals, it's going to be 10 with a 0 on the end, making it 100. We could show it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 groups of 10. Woof. 10 groups of 10 is exactly the same as 100. Once I take those away, notice it's 10 times 10 is 10 with a 0 on the end to show that it's 10 tens. Because we're just adding a 0 each time, tens is super easy. We can even do it with much larger numbers. Let's have a look. We could do 24 groups of 10 is going to be equal to 24 with a 0 on the end, 240. Or bigger again, 356 times 10 is going to be equal to 3,560. Again, it's 356 with a 0 on the end. 24 with a 0 on the end. Have a go at the attached activity. You're going to find that you can multiply any number by 10 very easily. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.